Okay, let's start. It's Ielts speaking part 2. Talk about a traditional object of your country.
When it comes to traditions, Pakistan is full of different people having different cultures and traditions. Well, basically, I'm from Punjab. I am going to mention about the tradition in Punjab. That one traditional product that is made in Punjab is lassi. It is a yogurt-based drink. During every summer season, I visit nearby restaurants to have a couple of glasses with my friends, especially during the hot days. And I tried it for the first time several years back at a Desi restaurant nearby. It was really soothing, and it made me so lazy that I would just hit my hit my bed instantly after coming to home. So it was a really good experience having a cup of glasses, a couple of glasses with my friends, and I loved it.
Alright, that's good. 1 minute and 7 seconds. You just take some pauses after a couple of sentences. Try to overcome
सर
that.
मैंने वो पहले लफ्ज़ बोर्ड नहीं था पढ़ा, तो बाद में मैंने पढ़ा है, तो फिर सारी स्टोरी चेंज करनी पड़ी थी.
Acha?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Okay, now let's move on to speaking part 3. Well, yeah, you talked about a product. So object or product, that's the same. Let's go on. What are the benefits of traditional products to local people?
Well, there are several benefits to the local people, such as people are fond of buying different products, especially their own traditional products that may be some kind of food wearings or drinkings and other things. People are fond of buying shoes and drinks such as I mentioned earlier.
Okay, thank you. People fond of. What's the
People-
mistake?
People are fond of.
People are fond
Sir,
of.
यही बोला।
ध्यान ना बोलना, हाँ. You said people fond of. मैं recording लगाई हुई है.
Okay.
Repeat कर देनी मैंने. Okay.
Okay.
So people are fond
Are
of.
fond.
And the word is not soothing. Soothing.
Soothing.
Soothing.
Soothing.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Thank you.